How to diagnose PCB or compressor defect in frost-free refrigerator. Press PCB test switch. Check if compressor is running or not. Check resistance between three compressor terminals. If resistance is not proper, then compressor is defective. If resistance is okay, then check voltage at compressor connector coming from PCB. Remove the connector from compressor and wait for 3 minutes after giving power supply. Connect one terminal of multimeter to ground and other to one point in the connector. Similarly, check for all the 3 points. If at all the 3 points voltage is greater than 60 volt, then compressor is defective. If at any one point voltage is less than 60 volt, then PCB is defective.